Alright, question 1. Show that the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... plus n equals n times n plus 1 over 2. The second question, use the result in 1 to find the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10. And the third question, use the result in 1 to find the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus ... plus 20. We prove the first result. So what we do here is we take the sum, this sum, plus, so we take the sum twice. So we write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n. And now with regards to the second sum, I have plus n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So this can be written as n plus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 2 plus n minus 2 plus 3 plus ... n minus 1 n minus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1 plus 2 plus n plus 1. So this gives n plus 1 plus 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 n plus 1. So this is n plus 1. We take n plus 1, the common factor, and we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus ... plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is n plus 1 times this is n. So this is n times n plus 1. I have 2 times this sum over here equals n times n plus 1. So I obtain the desired formula. So what I have done is taken the sum twice. I sum the two sums. I write this sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 2 n minus 1 n. And then I reverse n plus n minus 1 n minus 2 3 plus 2 plus 1. So I group the terms together. I have n plus 1, n minus 1 plus 2, n minus 2 plus 3, n minus 2 plus 3, n minus 1 plus 2, n plus 1. So I notice that I always get n plus 1, n plus 1, n plus 1. I always get n plus 1. So I have n times n plus 1. So because I have two sums, now I divide by 2 and I obtain the sum here. The second question, I want to compute the sum from 1 to 10. So I take the sum, k equals 1 to 10. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 10. So according to this formula, n is 10. So I take 10 times 10 plus 1 over 2. So this is 10 times 11 over 2. So this is 5 times 11. So this is 55. For the third question, I want to compute the sum from 1 to 20. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus ... 20. So now my n in the sum is 20. So it's 20 times 20 plus 1 over 2. So this is 20 times 21 over 2. 10 times 21, 210. I have used this formula enclosed in the box in order to compute the sums. This problem appeared in one of the stories, stories of historical importance. Gauss, when he was young, he was asked to compute this type of sum, and it is quite painful to do to do the summations. So what he did was to invent a formula in order to compute for an arbitrary n. And other students have been struggling to compute the result, but Gauss could compute it like that. He could compute the result instantaneously using this formula. And of course, this was the first instance that he was called as the Prince of Mathematics, and he is widely known as the Prince of Mathematics, Carl Friedrich Gauss. The Prince of Mathematics. He was a very competent mathematician, and of course he is considered to be one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. And basically, this sum was just an indication of what would follow later on in his life. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you are having a great weekend.